So what are financial advantages of marriage? There was a survey done basically looking at net worth and people that are under the age of 35. When they look at single males, it was $27,620. When they looked at single females, it was around $9,390. When they looked at the married couples, it was more than double that. It was $86,430. So if you took these two together, you're looking at about $37,000. And when you look at married couples, you're looking at $86,000. So why is this more than double what those two would be combined? Well, one potential is that you have potentially a dual income source and a shared home, and your home costs the most out of pretty much any expense that you have. You'll also have potentially a division of labor, you have expertise, increased efficiency, just like anywhere else. You're probably not going to eat out as much if you're married because one person could cook for two people or three or however many people are there. The other one is, say you have someone that makes repairs. So someone may be skilled in certain areas and the other person might not be. So somebody may fix cars, fix the house, the other may take trash out and do other things, or say mow the grass, or someone's paying the bills and doing the time with that. The other person may do more of the child care, more of the cleaning. Someone might be better at finance. I know, at least from my grandparents, actually most of the women were involved in the bills as well as finances because they were a bit more thrifty and able to know where money should go and when. The other thing is you have accountability when you're married. I can't just go blow a bunch of money, I'll be in a bunch of trouble. We hold each other accountable, and you make sure that you're in alignment with what are your goals for your family, and you'll tend to save more money or save for retirement because you're trying to provide and share for each other. Whereas somebody that's single, they don't have to answer to anybody, so if they blow all the money that they have a lot of fun, but they don't have anything saved for the future. You tend, when you get married, to think about providing for each other and being a partnership, and able to protect each other long term. So some of that comes into finances. The other one is tax advantages. So let's go through that. So your standard deduction, this is 2024. If you're married, filing jointly is $29,200. If you're single, it's $14,600. So basically this is just double that. If you look at tax rates, I'm just going through the bottom three, so 10, 12, and 22%. If you're single, these are the tax brackets. If you're married, filing jointly, it's basically double whatever the single is. If one spouse makes, say, $40,000, the other spouse makes $60,000, these are the tax amounts that will be due. If you added them together, you'd have a tax of $8,032. When you look at $100,000 income filing jointly, basically it comes out to the same amount. But here's where it differs. So instead of two people making a total of $100,000, let's take an instance of, let's say you have one higher earner, and the one higher earner makes $100,000 and the other spouse stays home. Effectively, that single person making $100,000 a year will owe $13,841 in taxes. So if a single person that makes $100,000 a year gets married and their spouse stays in the home and doesn't earn any income, effectively by being married, they've doubled the standard deduction, they've doubled the tax brackets, which has now put that $100,000 at a lower tax, so when they're married, you're now at $8,032. Guess what? That spouse saved that couple $5,809 that year. That means that that spouse, by staying home, even if that spouse earns no money, they're still adding $484 per month in tax savings for that couple. That can grow pretty significantly and can really contribute to why there's more than double the net worth in a married couple versus two single people that are living together. So that really helps to grow this net worth. And effectively, this is more than double, two single people that are dating, let's say. So there is a distinct advantage to being married. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy financial education, learning how to invest, save money on taxes, as well as how to make more money, this is a channel for you. Please subscribe and have a great day.